Good morning, class.
Good morning, Ma'am Juan.
Okay, you take your seat.
Thank you, Ma'am Juan.
So, arrange your chairs properly and put pieces of trash in between and everything. Anyway, let's check your attendance. Is anyone absent today? Okay, so all of that. So we are done finishing our last topic, last meeting. So we are proceeding to our new topic. So any idea kung nakit sa pagkakalong? Yes. Okay. So before we start, I want you to look at some image and try to describe what are information na kita. Isa ang very good. So next, plant, women, and some animals in forest. Next. So, sa karon nga generation, di ba, dapat naman tayo at nakikita nyo like mga family vlog. But, hindi tanan nga kasi ikaw kung makita imoon, di ba? So dapat mag-inform mo. Kasi aware mo sa usin mga share sa team. Okay? So, muna itong topic today kasi informational text. So, any idea kung saan ang informational text? From the word self-inform, it's a text. Okay. Can you please read? Miss Rachel.
An informational and informative text is a type of non-fiction writing that provides factual information on a specific topic. Its purpose is to educate the reader, not to tell a story. An end of text includes features like heading, bold text, blocks, and glossaries to help the reader understand raw material, common sample input, text, books, newspaper, and instruction manuals.
Okay, thank you. So, sabi niyo na informative text, tanan na siya topic sa running around sa buong sa world. Kung sa mga topic like kaniba, isa na siya mga title, kanibang buwan, sa like mga newspapers, materials, sa mga facts, kita, like tinuod yung mga information. Hindi ka nang imagine lang, imagine mo lang kung ano sa salida, hindi mo rin alam mga tinuod, like COVID, ano yung mga example. Here are the parts of informative writing. So first is ang topic. Then sunod, kung sa iyang lain facts sa sulod-ana. Example, aning bats. O nagkuhan siya, interesting question kung di ba? The bats have long, warm bones, very long finger bones. Facts na siya, kasi huwag man naman sa bats. Now, the bats can fly as fast as 15 miles per hour. And see, the bats are really cool animals. Many breath na siya. Conclusion lang sa pwede facts. Informative text structure. Okay, so this is the main idea of text. First is the introduction, description of the body. Hindi mo confuse yung color rate and conclusion, ano yung pinakalas ng body. So, title is the main idea kung sa title like facts. Like children, introduction, is description, sa may lain term, sa may lain facts, kauna-una information. Okay, like this, for example, informative text example. Turtles, muna yung topic tayo ito. So, muna yung introduction is turtles are reptiles. There are clothes that including need sunlight to keep you warm and active. The description, turtles are harsh on the back and information reason. So, three reasons why free writing is important. So, sample ani is kanang sa unsa yung like makita sa internet or mabasa niyo sa kuan, mga paper, dapat yung kanang facts na tinuod lang hindi ka nang mag-imagine na non-fiction bitaw. Okay, number 2 is providing safety instructions. So, like sa medicine, like yung tanaw nila sa mga labels, sa ba ang pwede Third is learning new skills, tutorials on how to use a new phone, para makabalo yung step-by-step procedure. Or is understanding important information. For example, brochure about health services or emergency procedures. Like everyday life na ay new discovery of information. Okay, that's it. That's for that one. And let's proceed sa activity. So I want you to pair. Activities. So get one up crosswise. Crosswise or running one hole. Yes, please. Here, now yung mga topics. Now I have to hear the topics. So I want you to come here and get one Are you done? We proceed sa wala pa ng math. Okay, you have 1 minute left. time's up. So pass your papers in front. You're done. Pass your papers in front. Yes, yes. Pass. Pass your papers if you're done already. Basta lang. So, all of that, from concluding na like, what's your say or what are your thoughts or understanding about the information text natin discussed? Any more, yeah? Raise your hand. Like, certain lang, like, fast or something like that. Yes, sagot na lang po. Understanding me. Facts? Yes, correct. So how about the others?
About teamwork.
Yes, correct. How about the others? Fact? Wala na? Okay, that's it for our session for today. So I hope someone learned at home to add topics. And for next meeting, we are going to have an activity again. Okay, bye class.
Goodbye, Ma'am Van, and thank you for teaching us today. See you tomorrow.
Uy, man.
Monday morning.